A certified arborist on the job today is Ben Staples. Ben, how do you decide whether a tree stays or it goes?
Well, the most important thing is whether there's a target underneath the tree that could be damaged if the tree should shed a branch or should fail. So we look for the target. In this instance, there are targets. People park their cars and so forth. We evaluate the tree for structure. We evaluate the tree for defects. We take into consideration the species of the tree. And then we determine whether if the tree should fail or parts of the tree should fail, if they'll impact that target. And if they impact the target, what's the likelihood of damage and how much damage might be done if that were to happen.
How does our tree stand up?
Well, this tree is an old silver maple that's in significant decline. It's already had many leaders removed because the leaders have failed. There are large decayed branches. There are many signs of decay, overextended branches. I think this tree really poses a hazard to the people who live here.
So how are we going to take this tree down?
We're going to use our crane today. It's a zero impact way of lifting the tree away and setting it down in a controlled manner. It's very safe and very efficient.
Well, let's see him get to work.
All right.
Now, this particular tree has all sorts of wires in it. How do you handle those?
Our crews are specially trained to work within 10 feet of electric transmission wires as required by OSHA. They also have special techniques that they use to make sure they're safe. They're in constant communication with one another through the headsets that are on their helmets.
Nothing like seeing a tree fall up.
It's an amazing thing.
How big a log can you chip?
We can chip up to about 18 inches of deciduous hardwood and about 20 inches of softwood.
And where do the chips go?
Most of them get used for biomass, for energy production.
This is one of the main stems, Ben, and there's what, an inch of wood left holding this together?
Not even an inch of wood. There's no live wood left on this at all. You can see where it was starting to crack.
Yeah.
It was ready to fail.
And it rotted all the way through.
To the other end.
Must have been a raccoon home at one point.
Thinking maybe, but boy, was that unsafe right over that street like that?
Not safe at all. No question, with this tree gone, it's a much safer neighborhood.
I'm happy that hazard has been removed.
What are you gonna do with that huge stump?
We'll bring the stump grinder down tomorrow and grind that below grade and it'll be gone.
Well, this is great because I have a nice clean pallet to work on the front of this house.
I love it.
Thanks, Ben.
All right, Roger. Take care.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.